Hey everybody, it's Zach. Welcome back to another PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over for loops. So let's get into it. So a for loop is similar to what we've learned with the previous loops, except the variables are defined within the parameters rather than before the loop begins. So let me show you. So open and close our PHP tags. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for and then create our brackets here. And this takes 3 parameters. So the first one, I'm going to use the same type of example that I've been using. I saw this in another example before, and I thought it was a good example for teaching purposes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for, and then we're going to create a variable called num, and we're going to equal that to 1. Then we're going to put a semicolon, and then we're going to do num less than or equal to 10. And then finally, semicolon. And then finally, the last parameter is going to be num plus plus. And then we create our block. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go echo num. And actually, let's concatenate a line break on there. So now if we save that and refresh it, it should count up to 10. So I mean, we could go as high as, well, I mean, you could go as high as you wanted if you wanted to crash a browser, but let's go up to 50. Up to 50. So we could reverse this as well. So let's go with 50. Well, number is greater than or equal to 1. And then we would just change this from plus plus to minus minus, and then we would start at 50 and go all the way down to 1. So this could come in handy if you're using like MySQL queries. If you have like a user bio section or something like that, you could use SQL queries in here. There's actually several ways that you could do this, but that was the first one that came to mind. So I hope this helped, and if the video helped you, drop a like. If you have any questions, comment below, subscribe. I do have Twitter now. I will link that in the section below, and if you haven't seen my previous video on loops, I will post that in the description as well. Take care.